Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you the most essential keyboard shortcuts for Linux terminal. So we have to of course start with opening the terminal, and I will show you some useful shortcuts that you can use in this terminal. So we can start with how can you move cursor quickly. So for example we have a text, so we have for example touch and some file. How can we move the cursor to the beginning of the line with one shortcut? You have to just press Ctrl and A. So Ctrl and A like this. Ctrl+A. And now how can you go back to the end of the line? You have to just press Ctrl+E. As you can see, Ctrl+E like this. And again, Ctrl+A to the beginning of the line, and Ctrl+E to the end of the line. And I think these shortcuts are really useful. So now, how can you delete all this line at once? You want to delete everything before the cursor, so to the left of the cursor. So everything of this. You can just use the shortcut Ctrl+U. So I will press it. As you can see, whole line disappeared. Again, I can do something like this. So this is a text. We will go back to the beginning of the line, and I want to delete everything after the cursor. So everything to the right. How can I do it? We can use the shortcut Ctrl++K like this. So I will do it and I will press it. As you can see, again the whole line disappeared. Let's say that you want to delete only the previous word. So you have something like this. This is text. Again, how can I delete the whole line, the whole word? So for example, text. I have to press Ctrl and W. As you can see, Ctrl+W, and as you can see, it is working. And how you can clear the whole screen. So let's say you have a lot of comments. So for example, I have something like this. I will ls minus, for example, like this. So I have a lot of things right there. You have to use Ctrl+L like this. You can press it. As you can see, everything above disappeared, and I have only this right there. So I think this is really useful. Right now, what we can do? We can, for example, I will show you how to control running commands. So let's say you have something like this. So for example, sleep and like this. You have the command sleep. This command doesn't do anything, but it blocks your terminal. So how can we stop this command completely? We have to press Ctrl+C. As you can see, Ctrl+C, and we stopped this process. We can also send this process to the background. So for example, sleep like this. Again, we have to press Ctrl+Z. As you can see, the process has been stopped and it has been sent to the background. And right now, how can we also close the terminal with the shortcut? This shortcut is Ctrl+D. If I will press it, my terminal will close. So like this. First of all, we have to stop all the jobs in the background, because we had the sleep process in the background. So first of all, we stopped the processes, and now we stop the terminal. Again, this Ctrl+D shortcut just do this command. It just do the exit command, so it might be also helpful. So this is a quick tutorial with the, I think, useful shortcuts in the Linux terminal. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.